In this video, I'm going to talk about the regional dashboard and what key insights that can be drawn from this page for stakeholders or users alike. You'll find this page underneath the Marketing tab on Regional Dashboard. It'll take you to this page, which will display all data of all time within your system. So if you want a full view, you can come here and take a look at it, but you can also drill down to individual programs using marketing initiatives to get a sub view or a lower level view of your data. So as we scroll down here, we can use the marketing initiative filter, and we can filter down to that initiative we had created in a previous video. So I'll filter down here, and we'll walk through each of these KPIs. So any pipeline that's been influenced by marketing from the opportunities on these programs. We can look at the net pipeline. So this is the net open pipeline. So multi-touch attribution is tying the opportunities back to these programs. So we're looking at how much pipeline is open right now. The marketing cost for the programs on this initiative. The gross closed won dollars, which would be any opportunity that was influenced by these programs, along with the net closed won. So the multi-touch attribution model is tying dollars back to the opportunities for these programs, along with the ROI. So we can scroll down here and we can see different visuals for, say, account region, how much pipeline, how much closed won dollars for the different business types or channels. We can take a look at that. We also look at this program attribution panel where we can get a view of each program broken down, and we can see maybe how many leads were marketed to, how many MQLs did we have, how many opportunities were created from this program. But now we're looking at this and we're kind of interested in, I want to look at the opportunities that closed within February 2020. So I can go use this filter here, and I can filter down to February 2020. And so as I go through, I type my values in here, and it will allow me to look at those opportunities, and I can see how many dollars were won within that month. And so I see here about 45,000 net closed won dollars. Now I'm interested, I want to see what programs were involved in that, and I can come down here and I can see these programs here. Now I can scroll back up and I want to take a look at those opportunities. So I click on this table view, and I'm going to open a new tab here, and I see the different opportunities here. So created, qualified, closed on. I can take a look at all this information. I can export it to a CSV. I can also explore the opportunity. So I come to this page, I can see how much the opportunity closed for. It's a demo site, so a very little amount here. But I can also see the activities on this opportunity and who took the activities and when they took them. And so we have our qualified date here, this hash line, and we look 6 months back and we draw all of the opportunities or all of the activities on this opportunity, and we can see when it closed. And so we can see this activity for this opportunity. So if I'm interested in looking at it in more detail, I can come to this page. But I'm going to close this out to show one more key feature on this page that's really valuable. Now, if I'm going to come back to this and want to continuously look at maybe another month or edit it, or continue to look at February 2020 or save it for one of my peers, I can save new report. And I can save it as February, email, and event, and call it regional dash. And so we can look at this and we can create a custom report, and it will show up on our custom reports page here, so you can continuously look at this throughout time or come back to it as a reference point or show other stakeholders your programs. So that is a regional dashboard and the power of using your marketing initiative on that page, along with saving a custom report for it.